Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Hyper-V virtual machines hosted on VDS, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to your virtual dedicated server, or VDS, where the Hyper-V virtual machines are hosted. Log into the VDS using Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP. Open the Hyper-V Manager application on your server. Identify the virtual machine you wish to backup within the Hyper-V Manager. Right-click on the selected virtual machine. Choose the option labeled Export from the context menu. Select the directory where you would like to save the exported files. Click OK to initiate the export process. Monitor the progress in the bottom section of the Hyper-V Manager to confirm successful completion. Once the export is finished, navigate to the directory where you saved the files. Verify the presence of a folder containing the exported virtual machine. If you have multiple virtual machines to backup, repeat the export process for each one. For ongoing backups, consider automating the process using PowerShell scripts. Open PowerShell with administrative privileges on your VDS. Create a script to export the virtual machines at regular intervals. Use the command export VM followed by the virtual machine name and the path for backup. Schedule the script using Task Scheduler to run at your preferred time. Ensure that your backup location has enough storage space for the virtual machine files. Regularly check the backup directory for integrity and available space. Test the restoration process periodically to ensure your backups are functional. Document your backup procedures for future reference and improvement. By following these steps, you will establish a reliable backup routine for your Hyper-V virtual machines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.